This segment is brought to you by your trusted AAA Car Care Center. You can count on us.
Welcome back to Living 757. The holiday season means more cars on the road. Whether you're driving to buy presents, you're traveling to holiday parties, or you're on a road trip to visit family, more cars on the road means more accidents and more breakdowns, right? But how many of those accidents and breakdowns could have been avoided with regular car care maintenance? Quincy, it's time you put us ladies to the test about our car care knowledge.
Well, I'll be completely honest. I think you both are the reason why there are some car accidents that's going on.
Excuse me?
It is not our fault. People are looking at us and crash their cars.
I've seen how both of you drive. It is horrible. So
Don't say that. Look,
look, I got some.
I'm a good driver,
Look,
Quincy.
all right. So
Yeah,
this to
give me
make
the
sure
green
that
one.
y'all
Green,
don't
let's go.
talk over each other.
So what are we doing here?
Well, just give me a second. I'm trying to explain it to you. That's why you're getting these car wrecks. The rush and everything. All right, so I'm gonna put you guys to the test with some car maintenance trivia, okay? So the viewers will see it on the screen as I'm reading it, and then you guys will try to answer the question, and then we'll see who's right, okay? All right, so let's start with the first one.
Okay.
Let's go, car maintenance, okay? On most cars, ladies, how do you know when it's time to replace your brake pads? Is it one, you get a service brake light? Number two, you hear a loud squealing when you brake. Number three, all of a sudden your car won't. Which one is it?
Number two.
Number 4.
All right, so Patricia says 2. Oh, it's Ashley. She is number 4. All right, 1 for Ashley. All right, let's go to the second one. All right, which of these is not a sign of improper tire inflation? Increased cornering capability, decreased ride quality, potential blowouts, poor handling in inclement weather.
3.
All right, Ashley. Ashley says 3. Which one do you say?
4.
First of all, if it's only 2 of you, you don't have to. They know that it's your.
Let me play, Quincy.
All right, so you say 4.
We both got it wrong.
Oh, you were both wrong. Cool.
I don't even know what increased cornering capability means.
Well, that's why you shouldn't be driving home today. Okay, cool. Next, let's go to the next
next.
question. Which of these warning signs is a hint that one of your turn signal bulbs is out and needs replacement? Is it the turn signal stalk doesn't
3.
make it? Okay.
3.
Okay.
Yes.
She says 3, and hold on.
She read too fast. I was reading.
Well, just hit your button. It's what worked. Okay. Which one? Oh, 3.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Patricia, you got to at least call one.
I can't read
one
that fast.
one
I'm a
number.
Spanish reader.
Just call a number out, Patricia. All right, let's go to the next one.
Without
All right.
reading? No, that's cheating.
What hint does your car give when it wants an alignment? Okay, I didn't know a car wants an alignment. That's number 1. I learned something today. Car needs an alignment. Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4?
2.
2. Patricia says
When
2.
the car pulls right and left.
Hold up.
4.
Hold up. Did you just give her the answer so she could get it
I
right
knew
on
it.
TV?
I
This
knew
is
it.
Cheating
I knew
at
it.
its worst. All right.
It is Christmas season, and I gave her an answer.
I
She
knew
gave
that
you.
one.
All right,
I knew
ladies.
that
So the
one.
last one here. What are signs that your windshield wipers need replacing? 1, 2, 3, or 4. All right. Just hit a button. Something.
No.
Okay. That's 1. Okay.
All of the above.
Patricia says all of the above. And
Yes.
oh, Patricia got it
Yes.
right. All right, so right now I believe it's tied 2-2. This is the last one. Last one. Here we go. If you were to apply Rain-X to your car, where would it be applied to? Okay.
4.
Ashley says 4. This is for the tiebreaker.
4.
Oh, and they both got it. So
in the way-
tiebreaker,
yep.
and I guess you guys don't break any ties. Now you
See
just
that
gotta-
we know something,
Yeah.
Quincy?
No. I think it's good that you guys have shown the viewers that you can pass the test. But when
That is not a normal driver
when you drive
test.
out there, you're not showing the viewers anything. Okay.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
A lot of fun.